So guys, time for the Team Corally Sketer 4S, but on 6S. Sounds so bad. Been ages since I drove this car. Sorry for the wind, guys, and I'm freezing, to be honest. Wish I could. Wish I would be better at this. Okay, so the body popped out rear. I'm gonna change. Problem is, it is hard to get it attached. The wind caught it. Did you see that, guys? But it's quite easy to drive, to be honest. Wonder if I still have any library in there. Yep. Still in one piece. The motor have probably moved. Nailed it. Yep, can you hear it? Guys, can you hear it? Yep, well, front lid car. Well, I'm gonna do a quickie break it down here. Turn off. Turned off. Where to start? Trying not to crack my wound up again. You know, do anything to bash your RC cars. The weather is amazing, and thankfully the car didn't get so dirty. So that center diff cup looks nasty, that's for sure. So this is the Skeeter 4S Team Corally, stock servo, 350. I think I'm on 350 in the front too. If I'm not mistaken, 100k in the mid, but I'm not 100% sure. I need to check that out. Max8 G2 and the 4268 1900 or 2k. I don't remember. I think it's the 1900 kV. Customers upgrades. Hinge pin mounts front, and the front rear, the Ackerman plate. Haven't mounted it yet. I need to fix the skid plates, but besides that, the car is all good and it's really fun to drive. So that's it, guys. Time to go home and try to edit some clips. Thanks for watching. Bye.